Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. This item is the Gyro LED 500. Create the perfect party atmosphere. You only need a fog machine for shows, to jam out, for future videos. I mean, it is Halloween. You know, it is October. So there you go. Package detail, fog machine, power cord, wireless remote control, wire controller, all that good stuff. Alright, large fog volume, suitable for multiple scenarios, durable and energy efficient. Nice. 8 LED lamp, beats, 16 colors with RGB lighting effects. Cool, man. Adjustable, large capacity, easy care, quick setup. Alright, my peeps. Let's get the party going. At Freedom Gardens. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. The GJ Rio. GEJ Rio. G Rio. Whatever, man. Alright, check it out. 500 watt LED fog machine manual. Oh man, it's 500 watts. Woo. I mean, someone have to use his own little power station just to power it up. Yeah, 500 watts. But either way, when I get the solar panel and my DY and all that, dude, I'm gonna have a massive solar panel system. Like, yeah, totally maximize it. Alright, so let's check this out. Ooh, baby boy. It's a lot. Alright, so you guys can pause it and read, alright? I'll try to steady it and keep it as close as possible for you guys. Alright, that's that. Okay, get everything in the frame. There you go. Alright, this has more. Oh man, this has way more. Trying to get all of it into frame. Alright, and this one. Hopefully I do some justice for you guys. Nothing in the back. Let's see. So you got the remote control. Cool. Nice. Individual colors. Oh man, this is badass. Can't wait, dude. Ooh, this is the remote control. Whatever this is, and this thing looks crazy. So we gotta look at the manual. Little key holder. What is this? Alright. So you slide this down and it unlocks, locks. Alright. And it has like these little gears with threads, like bolt threads. Hey, quick reflex of the wind. Alright, it's making me fetch for everything today. Okay, so auto mode. I gotta learn my terminology. But yeah, so here it is, this cable. Okay, so here's the main on and off switch with the red LED dial indicator. Okay, cool. I don't know how this works. Okay. Oh, you gotta attach the handle to it. Oh, that's what these are for, to attach the handle, right? One on each side. Okay, here's the power supply cable. 3-prong, neutral, hot, and ground. Cool. And here it is. Here's the bad boy. Oh, it's pretty heavy, man. It has some weight into it. Oh, but you gotta buy the the fluid, huh? Ah, that's the thing about owning an empty box. That's the bad thing about owning a fogger, right? A fog machine. You gotta refill it, right? Or how does this thing work? Oh man, look at this. It has all these diodes. And man, so this is where it ejects the smoke, right? Crazy, my piece. This is so cool, man. Alright. Man, that's some weight into it, trust me. The ground. Whoa, the weight, no! I have to go. Oh, I have to fetch all that now. Oh man, great. Jeez. Alright, so let's check it out, my piece. On and off switch. That's the, so, okay. So I guess this one is for here, right? Ah, this thing keeps going black. So this one goes here. Well, actually, you have two different. I don't know. You have two different ones. A short. Oh, you have a short one. What? No, wait a minute. This is. Oh, this is auto mode. This is auto mode, and this is where you control it. Ah, and then you have a short cable and a long cable. Okay, and that's for here, right? And then this one is for here, which is the power line. All right, that makes sense. And then you can see, I guess, how much you have. It's like a fuel gauge, right? So I'm guessing. I haven't looked at the well, you know, the manual. I haven't read it. You kind of just look at it. All right, so yeah, I don't think it has anything inside my piece. Nope, empty. Empty. But that's how it looks. Cool, right? Oh, that's like to strain it, right? Or whatever. All right, cool, my peeps. It's cool. Just screw this on gently. Just finger tight in. Don't want to overscrew it. Don't want to crack the lid or mess up the seam. All right. I mean, I wish I could energize it, man, and have some fluid. So I have to do the research. And yeah, I can't wait to use this bad boy. And have throw in a show, dude. Jam out with some music, the guitar. Yeah, man, give a show. You know? All right, everyone. I hope y'all like this. So this is it. This is everything that came with it. All right, everyone. Bam. All of this right here. Boom. What else can you ask for, homies? Bam. All right, everyone. You already know the drill. Smash that like button. Give it a thumbs like. A thumbs up. Thumbs like. All right. Comment. Share the video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. And thanks for supporting and subscribing and following in the journey. All right, everyone. Peace, love, and love. Later.